Smith Structures India Private Limited. We are manufacturers of quality pre-engineered steel buildings and structures. Over 700 plus completed buildings in different sectors and industries. Our esteemed clients of warehouses and elogistics are
Adani Logistics Limited, Indospace Logistics Park, ECR Build Tech Private Limited, Pragati Infra Solutions Private Limited, Shakti Infra, Cowtown Infotech Services Private Limited, Talagaon Industrial Parks Private Limited, Wellspun One Logistics Park, BLA Textiles Private Limited, Hiranandani Group Voluminous Developers, North India Logistics Private Limited, Safe Express, Semac Consultants Private Limited, V-Mart, Seabird Marine Services Private Limited, BG Link Infrastructure LLP, NG Realty Private Limited, Indev Logistics Private Limited, Heen Terminals, Rishi Kiran Logistics, Bhati North India Private Limited, VIP Construction, Rattan Infinity, Anansne Warehousing Private Limited, Him Infratech Private Limited, Global Log Infra LLP, Gautam Freight Private Limited, Omkar Group Karagwal Developers, Semac Consultants Private Limited, DP World Project, Landmark CFS Private Limited, Transport Corporation of India Limited, Protect Infra Projects Private Limited, VRL Logistics. SSIPL's commitment to producing top-quality products stems with its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat,